Hi everyone, it's me, Jamie. Today I got lots of reptiles, some frogs and birds. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna take some out. Elf owl. Little owl. Eastern screech owl. Drumsticks. Flying tree frog. Red-eyed green tree frog. Bullfrog. I'm going to collect some snakes. Eastern diamondback rattlesnake. It's the largest pit viper. Pit vipers are when they have heat-sensing pits on their snout, nose, whatever you call it. This one's a diamondback rattlesnake. It's eastern because you can tell by the tail if it's a different, like black and white. It's a western diamondback rattlesnake, but this is an eastern diamondback rattlesnake. Banded rock rattlesnake is a rattlesnake that has a banded like patterning around it. This is one that I made. Here's a rattlesnake that I made. This is a purple one. Green grass cobra. This is made up. I made it up. There's no such thing. This is a rubber cobra, just from the gift shop, dollar shop, what do you call it? Here we go, yellow cobra. Here we got a king cobra. Here's the Safari Limited bendable cobra. Where the dots are is where it can bend. Emerald tree boa. There are snakes found in South America. They're a tree boa. They're not a ground dwelling snake. And they're non-venomous, but they kill their prey by constriction. This is one that I made. Common death adder is a snake that's in Australia. They're very dangerous. closely related to the puff adder, which puff is up. This has a thing to warn it. This is also what I made. Coral snake. This is a blue-headed coral snake. This is what I made. Albino Burmese python is an invasive species to America. Red-eared slider turtle. This thing is really nearly entirely aquatic, but it's a reptile and it's cold-blooded, so it has to go up to land here and there to bathe in the sun. Galapagos Island tortoise. It's a tortoise that's native to Galapagos Islands. We have the Pinta Island tortoise. Tortoises are different to turtles. Sea turtles have fins, when tortoises have feet. Green anaconda is a carnivorous heavy snake. It's a constrictor, so it constricts its prey. Milk snake or coral snake. Red snake. It's missing its tail. Oh well. Cord snake is a good species of snake because it gets rid of pests. Green tree python. This is a python, not a constrictor. It still constricts its prey, it doesn't have any venom. Sidewinder rattlesnake is a snake that goes sideways. Grass snake is a snake that goes wandering in the grass. Leopard gecko. Collared lizard. Chameleon. This is one that I made. This is actually a baby version of the veiled chameleon, which has the males have brighter colours to attract the females. Chameleons have crests, and the eyes that move independently, and the feet. I'm going to take some more out. Mosasaurus is a prehistoric marine reptile. If this thing was alive, we would stand on top of its mouth. Green sea turtles. Loggerhead sea turtle. Hatchling. Another hatchling. Kemp's Ridley sea turtle. It's the most endangered species of sea turtle, and it's the smallest species of sea turtle. You can see it has a piece of kelp in its mouth. Sea turtle. Alligator with babies on her back. Alligators aren't native to Australia, but they're native to the US. Crocodile. They're different towards alligators because you can tell their snout. Saltwater crocodile. It's the most dangerous and largest crocodile in Australia. It can be found in Queensland. Oh my gosh, Amazon tree boa. This snake is a skinny, big-eyed snake that's in the Amazon and can randomly attack when humans pass by. They're non-venomous, thankfully. Tiger snake. This one's an adult. This is a baby tiger snake. Cottonmouth. Red-bellied black snake. Native to Australia and dangerous. There. Brown king cobra. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like and share the video. Thank you. Bye.